Howdy YouTube. Today, doing a little maintenance here. B&W trailer hitches, tow and stow receiver hitch. This is the Pintle version. Tune 5/16, as you can see right there. So it's got the ball that can be used with as a pintle with this flap here. It is adjustable, obviously, with the pins. And you're supposed to lubricate your pins and keep them from seizing up and getting stuck in there. So that's what we're going to do today real quick, show you how to do that. Also, something you'll want to check, that hole right there where my finger's pointing. As you can see, it's threaded. There are, from the factory, little studs that get threaded in there that ride in the slot right there, and that keeps the this part in line with the other part of the receiver when you're sliding it up and down. Well, you want to make sure those are, you want to take this all apart, slide it off the main part of the receiver, and make sure those are threaded in nice and tight all the way. Maybe put some red Loctite on them. If you can see, I don't have anything in mine. That is because I had one back off, and I could not get the, it backed off into one of the pinholes, so I couldn't move it. So we had to do some very sketchy stuff, which I will not speak of, to get that out, to take it off, and then I removed them both. It doesn't matter to me, you know, the pins hold it on there and hold the weight, and it's honestly easier in my opinion without them there. But you want to make sure, either take them out or make sure they're threaded in all the way and Loctited. Another thing I forgot you want to check during your maintenance here is your ball. Make sure it's not loose. Make sure your nut underneath is tight. The ball's not loose, because it could fall off and you don't want that. If it is, all I did, because I've had that happen once with this, and I just bought a socket to fit the nut. I forget what size it is offhand, but I had to order it on Amazon because Napa was out of stock and no one else carries stuff that size, that big around here, which kind of sucks, but whatever. But all I did was get the socket, used my Milwaukee 1/2-inch impact, and zipped her back on nice and tight, and it's been fine ever since. So yeah, but here we go. We'll do the pins. What we're going to be using is fluid film. I believe they call for white lithium grease, but I like fluid film. I use it on everything. So first pin, this one's not bad. This one usually is never bad. Just remove the clip. Make sure the holes are clean, and then just give them a spritz with some lube. Shove it back in. Actually, I'm going to shove it in right there to help me with getting the other two out. So, okay, that one spins and free. That one's spinning and free. So, don't need a hammer this time. Sometimes you need a hammer to punch the pin through. But, remove the clip. Lift up on that a little bit. Take the pin out. Spritz it with some fluid film. clip back on. Same thing on this bottom one. Pull the clip out. Lift up, pull the pin out. Wipe it off. Lube it up. Shove her back in. Put your clip back on. Voila. Take your other pin back out. Shove her back in here. And put the clip back on. There you go. She's all lubed. And you want to do that more often if they get... I just do them whenever, but you want to do it more often if you driving in dusty, grimy roads, or like us, winters here. So I'll probably be doing that once every month or two, because they will get gross and caked up with salt from the road mist. But there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped, and until next time, stay crazy.